In today's fast-paced digital landscape, the phenomenon commonly referred to as brain rot has emerged as a significant concern. This term captures the widespread experience of mental sluggishness and diminished cognitive function many of us face due to constant exposure to low-effort content. The ease of scrolling through endless feeds of quick videos or sensational posts can lead to a state that becomes all too familiar to many, where focusing on complex ideas feels like an uphill battle. It is a reality that reflects how modern consumption habits impact our mental acuity. The impact of brain rot on our daily lives is profound and multifaceted. This condition does not just manifest as mere boredom. It brings about cognitive fatigue where information overload leaves our minds weary. When we constantly consume stimuli, our ability to engage meaningfully with tasks diminishes, leading to procrastination and hampered productivity. Individuals may find themselves emotionally numb, their emotional responses dulled from excessive entertainment. Furthermore, the all-too frequent reliance on screens disrupts healthy sleep cycles, contributing to a cycle of tiredness that further exacerbates the mental fog that accompanies brain rot. Fortunately, there are several effective strategies to combat brain rot and reclaim your cognitive vitality. First, consider implementing a digital detox. Taking regular breaks from screens can significantly reduce mental clutter. By practicing deep work techniques, such as the Pomodoro method, you create a conducive environment for focusing on important tasks. Additionally, cultivating a reading habit can envelop your mind in longer, richer narratives, enhancing attention span and creativity. Mindfully curating your media consumption can also provide a refreshing contrast to mindless scrolling. Transitioning from passive consumption to intentional learning, such as engaging with podcasts or documentaries, can restore your intellectual engagement. Furthermore, daily reflections through journaling or meditation can be a powerful exercise in reclaiming mental clarity, while regular physical activity and sufficient sleep can rejuvenate your cognitive capacities. Lastly, fostering creativity by engaging in projects or artistic endeavors not only sparks joy, but also invigorates the mind against the dulling effects of brain rot. Embracing these practices can help restore balance, enriching your mental landscape and empowering you to thrive in an information-saturated world.